Ready to explore the most iconic skyline in the world? Manhattan, the beating heart of New York City, is a place where dreams are made and stories unfold. From its towering skyscrapers to its bustling streets, every corner of this island has a tale to tell. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Manhattan never ceases to amaze. Let's dive into Manhattan's magic. The energy here is palpable and the sights are nothing short of spectacular. As we journey through this urban jungle, you'll discover the essence of what makes Manhattan so unique. From the historic landmarks to the hidden gems, there's always something new to explore. Welcome to Manhattan in stunning 4K. With every frame, you'll see the city in unparalleled detail. The clarity and vibrancy of 4K bring out the true beauty of Manhattan, making you feel as if you're right there, walking its streets and soaking in its atmosphere. Join us on this vibrant journey through the heart of New York City. As we stroll through its streets, you'll witness the hustle and bustle that defines Manhattan. From the early morning joggers in Central Park to the late-night revelers in Times Square, the city never sleeps, and neither will your sense of wonder. We'll uncover its iconic landmarks and the pulse of its culture. The Empire State Building, standing tall and proud, offers breathtaking views of the city. Times Square, with its dazzling lights and constant buzz, is a sensory overload in the best possible way. And Central Park, a green oasis amidst the concrete jungle, provides a serene escape from the city's frenetic pace. First-time visitor and short on time, don't worry. Manhattan can be overwhelming, but with a little planning, you can make the most of your visit. Grab a map, mark your must-see spots, and let the adventure begin. Whether you're here for a day or a week, there's always something to see and do. We're here to help you navigate the best spots and make the most of your visit. From guided tours that offer insider knowledge to self-guided adventures that let you explore at your own pace, there's a way to experience Manhattan that suits every traveler. Don't forget to capture those picture-perfect moments. Imagine starting your day in Central Park, a green oasis amid the urban jungle. As the sun rises, the park comes alive with joggers, dog walkers, and families enjoying the fresh air. It's the perfect place to begin your Manhattan adventure, offering a peaceful respite before diving into the city's hustle and bustle. A green oasis amid the urban jungle. Spanning 843 acres, Central Park is a haven for nature lovers and city dwellers alike. With its winding paths, tranquil lakes, and lush meadows, it's easy to forget you're in the middle of one of the world's busiest cities. Take a moment to relax, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the natural beauty that surrounds you. Did you know it's larger than Monaco? That's right. Central Park is a vast expanse of greenery that offers endless opportunities for exploration. Whether you're picnicking on the Great Lawn, rowing a boat on the lake, or simply wandering its many trails, there's always something new to discover. From there, we head to Times Square, where the energy is electric and the lights never dim. Known as the crossroads of the world, Times Square is a must-visit for anyone coming to Manhattan. The vibrant billboards, bustling crowds, and constant activity make it a place like no other, where the energy is electric and the lights never dim. As night falls, Times Square transforms into a dazzling display of neon lights and digital billboards. The atmosphere is charged with excitement and the streets are filled with people from all walks of life, all drawn to the magic of this iconic location. It's the crossroads of the world. Here you'll find everything from world-class theaters and restaurants to street performers and souvenir shops. Whether you're catching a Broadway show, grabbing a bite to eat, or simply soaking in the sights and sounds, Times Square is an experience you won't soon forget. Next up, let's sail to Liberty Island. A short ferry ride from Manhattan, Liberty Island is home to one of the most recognizable symbols of freedom and democracy in the world, the Statue of Liberty. As you approach the island, the statue's towering presence becomes more and more awe-inspiring. The Statue of Liberty stands as a symbol of freedom and hope. Gifted to the United States by France in 1886, this iconic monument has welcomed millions of immigrants arriving by sea. Standing at 305 feet tall, Lady Liberty is a testament to the enduring spirit of freedom and the promise of a better life. Fun fact, her full name is Liberty Enlightening the World. This name reflects the statue's role as a beacon of hope and enlightenment for people around the globe. As you explore Liberty Island, take a moment to read the plaques and learn more about the history and significance of this remarkable monument. And don't miss the breathtaking sunset from a rooftop bar. Manhattan's skyline is stunning at any time of day, but there's something truly magical about watching the sun set over the city from a rooftop vantage point. With a drink in hand and the city spread out before you, it's the perfect way to end a day of exploration. Picture this, the sky painted in hues of orange and pink, with the cityscape twinkling below. As the sun dips below the horizon, the buildings light up, creating a mesmerizing contrast between the natural beauty of the sunset and the man-made marvels of the city. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left Manhattan, or stumble upon a spontaneous street performance in the village where creativity and artistry thrive. Greenwich Village is known for its bohemian vibe and vibrant art scene. From impromptu music performances to captivating street art, there's always something happening in this eclectic neighborhood. A snapshot of Manhattan's artistic soul, recap time, Central Park's serenity, Times Square's buzz, Lady Liberty's grace, and those unforgettable sunsets. Each of these experiences offers a unique glimpse into the diverse and dynamic character of Manhattan. Whether you're seeking tranquility, excitement, history, or beauty, you'll find it all here. This is what makes Manhattan an explorer's paradise. With so much to see and do, every visit to Manhattan is a new adventure. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, the city is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. So lace up your walking shoes, grab your camera, and get ready to explore. Got a favorite Manhattan moment? Whether it's a quiet moment in Central Park, the thrill of Times Square, the awe of seeing the Statue of Liberty up close, or the beauty of a Manhattan sunset, we want to hear about it. Share your stories and experiences with us. Tell us in the comments. Your stories and tips can help fellow travelers make the most of their Manhattan adventure. Plus, we love hearing about your unique experiences and favorite spots in the city. And don't forget to check out our other travel videos for more adventures. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali, our travel videos offer a glimpse into some of the world's most amazing destinations. Happy travels!